Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today I'm so excited because I have partnered with FabFitFun to bring you this summer edition box. I have never been a subscription box type of girl, but FabFitFun chooses a charity every season to work with, and this one was Special Olympics, so that's pretty much right up my alley, and I thought, how can I not do that? If you aren't familiar with what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box that's going to give you full-size products in fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. I also have some exciting news for those ladies that are in Canada and the UK. You can also get in on this offer, so that's exciting. Don't forget, you're going to use my code for your first box. You're going to get $10 off, which is going to make it $39.99. This box values for over $200, so that's a really good deal, ladies. Treat yourself. I love that you're able to customize some of the items in each box, and then FabFitFun picks some other items for you, which is nice because it kind of gets you out of your comfort zone and gives you things that you maybe wouldn't have chosen for yourself, which I know I wouldn't have. Let's go ahead and go through the box and see what I got in mine. We're gonna start off with this fun tool. I had no idea what this was, I'm gonna be honest, and I'm a beauty girl, guys. This is a face tool. You actually want to use it typically when your face is clean, so you're going to use a cleanser, and then you're just going to take this and you're going to massage it on your face. So you start around your eyes and you move out towards your head, and then you're going to end on your forehead. You're like, what does that do, right? That's what I was like. Well, this is going to help your serums and your moisturizer go deeper into your skin. So love this product, and it's $40. Next up, we have this color swatch. So what you would do with this is when you're applying your makeup, you can clean your brushes in between, like putting different color eyeshadows on, and you don't have to use any water or anything. This retails for $16.99. So this is fun to have right at your vanity. Next up, we have this beautiful bamboo brush, and I have to tell you, I am a hair girl. Like, I love my hair, and this brush has been so gentle, and it retails for $30. It also comes with this beautiful little velvet pouch to keep it in, keep it kind of protected. So I'm loving this. I will show you, like, it goes so gentle through your hair. It doesn't pull or anything like that. So I love this brush. Okay guys, we are on one of my favorite products. I'm just having so much fun with this. I hope you guys are. I can't wait to see what you think of your boxes. This right here is a body wash infused buffer. I never would have looked at this in the store, and I'm loving it so much. It smells amazing. You can get about 14 uses out of it. This is one of my favorite products in the whole box, and I didn't even customize this. They sent it to me. They knew I was gonna love it. This normally retails for $16. This is such a mom gift, I think. This was one of the things that I customized. It came with this little bag to hold 189 letters, emojis, just different symbols. And I thought, how fun would this be? You could put it in a college dorm room for your kids. You could put it in your kitchen just to remind them to have a good day. I put a smile is your best accessory because I believe that. I think that is. This retails for $35. This next fun product is a make-off eraser. So basically you just wet this and then you take your makeup off. That doesn't mean you don't need to clean your face, ladies, so make sure you clean your face after this, but it will help remove your makeup. You just throw it in the wash. It's gonna last like so long, probably 3 to 5 years, and it has no parabens, no sulfates. So we like that because we don't wanna put all those bad things in our body. This will retail for $31. Another item that they chose for me is this weighted sleep mask. And you just put it on your face. It's gonna block out all the light. You're gonna get a fantastic night of sleep. It's gonna hit all the pressure points. That's super important. And this retails for $39. It also has a nice zipper pouch. So you just take the beaded part out and you can throw this in the wash. Makes it so nice and convenient. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I am obsessed with the charcuterie boards, so I had to pick this for my box. It comes with this really nice little plate, and it comes with serving utensils, and this is going to retail for $30. It's really nice wood, and I cannot wait to be able to entertain again because we're under quarantine and I can't do that right now. So I'm super excited to have this, and I will definitely be adding it to my charcuterie boards. The last item you're going to receive is always a magazine. It's going to talk to you about different products. It's going to give you like some workout tips, explore your membership. It's going to give you a note from the editor. It has fun little crossword puzzles and just kind of give you an overview of what FabFitFun is all about. One thing I did want to let you guys know is that FabFitFun is working on their carbon footprint. So boxes are going to come in 2 different sizes now, depending on the size of the products that you choose and that they choose for you. The box may look smaller. Doesn't mean that the products are any less or anything like that, but it is nice because it's less wasteful. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. I cannot wait to get my next box. It is definitely a nice treat. As a mom, I don't do a lot of things for myself all the time. So now it's like, it's guaranteed. I get to do something for me. So comment down below. Let me know, do you do subscription boxes? Because I am not a subscription box person. I wasn't until now, but I can't wait for my next season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that like button, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. A subscription box that's going to come with full-size lifestyle, I cannot remember this, fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. It's a seasonal fashion, help me out, fashion, what is it? Fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle. See, the only thing that really matters to me is lifestyle. So, in lifestyle, fashion. Okay, got it. I got it. Beauty and weight loss.
Fitness.
Or fitness. Weight loss, fitness. It's all the same. Come on, Priscilla. Come on.
Use the word.
Fitness, beauty.
Fashion.
Dang it. Full size. Fashion, seasonal. Come on. Fashion, in fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. Nailed it.